Hi folks, welcome back. This is lesson 75, and this, believe it or not, is a quickie, what I call a quickie. It's a bit of fun. It won't take long, but what I want to do is, you see these two sticks here. I was on a cruise ship and we visited San Francisco, and Carol and myself went for a walk, and it absolutely poured down. They say it never rains in San Francisco, but in California it pours, and it did pour. And we called in the shop and bought a couple of waterproof jackets. We've still got them now. And when I was walking across the road, where we were crossing for the traffic, in the gutter there was two pieces of stick floating down, and I picked these pieces of stick up, and I've had them about 20 years, something like that. And they're in my bag, and I just like to have a bit of fun with them now and again. So this, folks, is a bit of fun. Anything can happen. So just wait and see. I've got this is Indian ink, and this is my stick, and I'm just going to just have a play and put something on here and see what happens. Okay. Anything can happen here, folks. Put a bit of depth down here, something like this. A bit of a horizon for us. Let's put we'll put up a bit of a bank on this side here. I might stick a bit of fencing up. Just a bit of fencing. It's just, as I say, it's not a full masterpiece. It's just a bit of a pen and having a bit of play, and sometimes you can enjoy it. This, and put some bits of twiggy stuff up down here like this. And I haven't used the big one yet, so let's try the big one. We'll dip in with that one. Oh yeah, that's a bigger line. You see that? Let's see what we can put something on. Put something on the distance. It could be anything. Put some buildings or something like that. But I'll transfer to the small stick. Give a bit more detail if I can. Could be anything on this. This is just. It's just that this road is going down here and towards. It's going towards the city, if you like. We'll stick something else in about here. What's? Yeah. Bit of stick stuff here. Bushes, anything. Just whatever you feel like doing. Put one or two lines down here. A bit more twiggy stuff up here, like this. Break that line there. Break the horizon. What a good idea. This is a bit of a bank here, I think. Let's make it a bank, shall we? This is just a grassy bank, and let's just twiddle it down here like this. The beauty of sticks, you can't fiddle. That's lovely. You've got to just do it. Go what it says, and just go with the stick if you like. So we'll get some more. Anchor these twigs. some more twigs in this side as well. This will be nice. Just cleaning my stick now. It might not be your cup of tea, this, but from time to time, if you get, I mean, the last one we did was lesson 74 was boats at low tide, and we had to be careful what we were doing there with things. But this thing, you just do it, and whatever it turns out, it finishes. So that's enough stuff for the picture. That's now our Indian ink. Better screw the top on tight. Oh, I don't want that all over me. Quite all over now, but wipe the sticks. That's it. They're San Francisco sticks, these, and they're like personal friends. These, it's nice to have them and knowing where they came from and all that. Right, that's dry now. Let's just put a touch of. Well, we're going to winter scene. How's that? That'll do. A bit of blue sky in there. And nothing special. And this piece of paper, by the way, it's a cheap, nasty piece that I'm not bothered about. I don't use expensive paper for this. It'd break my heart. It would. This is, and you can see it's cockling now, but not to worry. It's enjoying itself, so it's. I'm making a bit of a pinky sky over there, winter sky. Let's touch the sun up there, shall we? What I'm using, the colours I'm using there, by the way, folks, in case you're interested, it's just raw sienna, that bit I'm using now, and the other stuff was cobalt blue and alizarin crimson. So nothing special. I'll put a bit of dark on that. Let's see if we can get it. This is cobalt blue. If you make it too wet, this paper, it'll cockle all over the place. You know, it's not fun. But we'll see what it does. Leave it at that. That's too much. Wash it over. Right, so the snow's on the ground. Let's see, we've got to decide where the light's coming from. So we'll say it's coming from this side. That's right. So this will be in a bit of shade down here. Using cobalt blue again. I'm just keeping the colours very muted, just a limited palette if you like. Cobalt blue, that's it. I might mix them two colours together. Let's see what we get. That's crimson, that's the alizarin crimson, and the cobalt blue. That might give us a bit darker colours. So we'll see what that gives us. That's better, yeah, a bit rutty stuff down the road there. A bit of purple down here. Perhaps a touch of snow there, sunlit snow there. That field across there will be in cobalt blue. It comes across. The distant church there and something like that. I said don't get involved with putting windows in and stuff like that. This is just a basic, just to show you how to use a bit of stick and a bit of Indian ink. Let's put a bit of dark into there. Where these roots are. They're always dark at the roots, aren't they? A bit of twiddle down there. It's not recognised colours as well. It's a bit of fun. That's what I said at the start. And it does you well just to loosen up a bit and have a bit of fun. I'll make this a bit darker down here. I'll bring it towards us. Let's darken that, using them two colours again. We'll bring it towards us in this side as well. And when you've got a painting like this and you start looking for things to do, stop, don't do it. So that's it for today, folks. It's just a quickie. I've enjoyed it. I wanted to show you a quickie like this. If you liked it, give us a subscribe or a like, and I'll see you on lesson 76. So until then, folks, it's goodbye on this quickie. I hope you've enjoyed it. 2 sticks and a bit of Indian ink. Bye bye.